dish today for you, and it's gonna be Surmai curry. It's called Batang. And why I'm making it, because it's from my hometown where I was brought up, that is Maharashtra in India. And so let's begin. So yeah, I mean, coming back to my dish, it's called Surmai curry, and this is the main ingredient. As you can see, is fish, is batang, and it's really yummy. Secondly, what I want to say is that this channel is completely going to be raw. When I cook, it's going to be completely realistic. So I'm not going to like cook it like a chef, but it's like you and me who would be like sitting on a holiday and maybe on a weekend and just cooking something at home for your wife or for your family. So let me just quickly take you through the ingredients for this one. It's going to be a curry. It's surmai curry. So you need a few pieces of fresh surmai batang at your disposable. So this is only for the curry. We're also going to make some fry out of it. Then this is coriander powder. Then this is grated coconut. And obviously for some essence, some flavor, one of the most important thing, the fish curry. Then here you go, the salt. And then this tamarind sauce, I'm just going to try out this today. It's really more an experiment. And then this is coconut milk. And so what we're going to do now is in the mixer, we're going to prepare a paste. You have the tomato here, then you have some red chili powder. And obviously for the grated, because for this recipe in our state, ginger garlic paste and onions are an essential part of it. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to take it in the mixture. The ginger garlic, onion, red chili, coriander, grated coconut and some coconut milk, and we're going to grate this. And once we are done with this, we have the paste ready. Then we go onto the gas where we have the paste plus some oil, and then we put the fishes in it, and that's how quickly we can prepare this. And trust me, whenever I've had this, when my mother or anyone's prepared at our home, and it's very delicious. So let the so-called chef begin his first recipe today. Okay, so I'll show you the paste once it's ready. Grated coconut, here you go. This is actually one of the key ingredients in this curry actually, that gives it some essence and flavor. Then we move to some coriander powder, not much, little bit. I'm taking all these measurements as per the number of people that we are going to eat, and obviously the taste. Garlic. And some onion for the mixture. This is coconut milk, and this again is important. So this is the fish curry that we got it. So that's our paste, which is ready, and I think so that's how quickly it's done. And we've grated it really like thin because there are big pieces of ginger. So always make sure that you make the paste extremely well mixed and well grated. So when it comes to the mixture, that's the color you're looking at. So that's the pan, and just some drops of oil. It's as per the person's liking how much oil you want. If you are on a diet or something, you don't want to add more oil, then you can curtail it. But typically in surmai curry, you need good amount of oil. So this is red chili powder, and we're putting it specifically to get some nice flavor and color. Although it is already there in the grated paste, but a little bit of this would give it a nice color to the curry. And now we are putting the paste, and be very careful when you put the paste when the oil is really heated up. So here goes the paste, and as you can see, I'm just loving the color, and can't wait for this thing to get done. The color of the paste, the ingredients are mixed so well. And now we're going to utilize all the parts. Just put a little bit of water in this, as you have some parts still left. So you put a little bit of water because you're going to make curry any which way. So use this water and same paste to utilize it. So I'm just going to quickly use it of the grated paste so that it does not go waste. And man, I can't wait for the surmai curry. And I'm so excited for my first video on this one. Can you see that? Can you see that color coming in? Just the right quantity, and I think we need a little bit of water, more water. If you want a thick gravy, you can keep it thick, but if you're having it with rice or with rice, I would prefer you put a little bit of more water. Ta-da! So what is this? This is Kokam. I want you guys to go and search on Google what Kokam is in your local language. So I'm going to put this because this will give a nice tangy flavor to the entire curry. So here it goes. Just a few pieces, not much, because then you wouldn't want it to turn it too sour. This will just give the right exact flavor to the curry. So now I'm putting the most essential part, the Surmai curry, and I can't wait to have them. So here they go in the curry, and I think I want to put one more into it. Let's put 4 after it. So 2 for me and 2 for my wife. And now we'll just let the fish get cooked nicely in the curry. And yeah, obviously I forgot one thing, that is the salt. So let's quickly add some salt.
So salt again?
It's as per your taste, how much you want to put it. But I usually, when it's the curry, pretty decent amount of salt can give it a nice taste. So yeah. And now we're gonna let it simmer in low flame. And as you can see, it's done quickly. It takes very less time to do this recipe. So I'm really I would love if you guys would try this. And you can see it's boiling slowly, steadily. But I'm just gonna cover it with a lid for the fish to get get cooked up very nicely. So once we are ready, I'm gonna show you the dish. So thank you. So as you can see, the Surmai curry is ready, and I can just go on and on talking about the flavor and the aroma. It's coming. I think it's come out really well. And so for the final touch up to the Surmai curry, we're gonna add some coriander. This will really give you that garnish flavor to the entire this. So, and just how tempting does this look, when you have I'm just going to spread it across the Surmai curry, and there you are, our Surmai curry is ready. And that's my first try, not my first try, I mean I've tried it before, but for you guys, I think you definitely need to try this Surmai curry. And the ingredients, I'm going to mention it in the description box.